Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is indeed a favorite pastime for us. With our busy and considerate lifestyle, gardening is the only way that keeps us connected to Mother Nature. Gardening gives us immense joy as we can see the shrubs and the flowers growing right from their tender stage till it completely shoots and lush into their green life. That literally gives us a sense of mortality which the living creators have on the planet. Gardening keep our daily life fresh, watering the plants, nurturing them, cleaning them all give us a sense of freshness and cleanness in our mind. A garden can be defined as a piece of property that is structured near or around our house. Different kinds of trees, beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables, and so on are cultivated. People are fond of grooming many types of gardens. A flower garden which consists of varieties of beautifully scented flowers, a fruit garden that holds nutrients fruits. A vegetable garden is very much loved by the households as they bear healthy vegetables which are then cooked and included in their meal are the best example apart from these. And gardening is a good hobby for the all gardener pleasant. Gardens are a good and enjoyable pastime, enjoying the fence lap of nature, nurturing something which would seem artificial to the common people but quite peaceful to the city people of as they are busy in the other parts of their life hustling to get something and but gardening helps them to restart their